How's it going, guys? New video, and yes, that just happened. Not too long ago, I was involved in an accident, and again, we were going into a right lane, turning only to the right. It has its own merging lane later on after you turn, so nothing to worry. But this lady all of a sudden decided to stop. Once I saw that she just braked on the turn, I went on the brakes. It didn't stop. It was too heavy. But this is when you actually want to have those aftermarket big brake kits, especially when you're 35 inches and up on tires. You definitely want to have some stopping power. You know, I cannot get upset on regards to what happened. I'm a little bummed out. I'm a little off, you know, but just thinking on what happened, how could I avoid it? But whatever. Now today's a new day. We're gonna go ahead to head up to the Jeep lab. We're almost there. I got a new drive shaft for the front since the one that I currently have is busted. Let's go ahead. Let's go to the Jeep lab, guys. All right, guys. So we're at the Jeep lab. Here's Mark.
What up?
So we're gonna pull the Jeep here into the bay, and we're gonna take off the drive shaft and replace it.
What kind of drive shaft you gonna go with, Eddie?
Stock again.
Oh man. What about all the other brands?
Well, comment below, guys, what is your favorite brand for drive shaft and why. I'll give you, after we take off the drive shaft, my opinions on why I'm keeping it stock. So let's go ahead and pull in the Jeep so we can, you know, take it off and show them what is wrong with it and why I'm putting the same one again. But let's go ahead and do that, guys. Alright, guys, so let's go down and check. You see that? That right there is where it's busted. So we're gonna be taking it and replace it with another stock one. Alright, guys, so I already got all the bolts out, so now it's the moment of truth. Alright, guys, so this is the reason why my drive shaft was really bad. Shouldn't be that loose. I mean, the booth is gone. There is no grease inside. The little gear, I think it was about to cave out at any point. But already got the replacement. Now it's just time to put it back in. The GoPro died. I don't have any other batteries right now. I forgot to charge them. So let's go ahead and continue. I'll show you the finished product. All right, guys. New drive shaft is in. That is all we had time for today. As you see, and I need some Under Armour skid plates. But it was tedious because it was hard to get to the rear bolts near to the transfer case. So we would have to pull it up, spin it, put it down, loosen it or tighten it, and put it up, and the same rotate it. But we got it done. Nothing too crazy, but finally done. Now, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Again, keep watching, hit like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you to the next time. Say goodbye, Marcos.
See ya.